Mastering DO-178C. Adhering to DO-178C is the aerospace industry's only path to operational excellence. How does adherence to the DO-178C standard facilitate its primary goal of achieving operational excellence in the aerospace industry? Adherence to the DO-178C standard is instrumental in facilitating operational excellence in the aerospace industry by ensuring the development of airborne systems and equipment that meet the highest standards of safety, reliability, and performance. The standard provides a comprehensive framework for the design, development, testing, and certification of airborne software, which is critical to the overall safety and efficiency of aircraft operations. One of the primary ways in which DO-178C facilitates operational excellence is by emphasizing the importance of a rigorous and systematic approach to software development. The standard requires developers to follow a structured lifecycle that includes phases for planning, design, implementation, testing, and verification. This approach helps to ensure that software is developed in a controlled and predictable manner, with clear goals, milestones, and deliverables at each stage. By following this structured approach, developers can identify and mitigate potential risks and errors early on, reducing the likelihood of defects and failures that could impact operational safety and efficiency. Another key aspect of DO-178C is its focus on safety and reliability. The standard requires developers to perform a thorough safety analysis to identify potential hazards and risk factors associated with the software. This analysis must be conducted early in the development cycle and must be repeated throughout the life cycle to ensure that the software meets the required safety and reliability standards. By identifying and mitigating safety risks, developers can ensure that the software is designed and developed to operate safely and reliably, even in the most critical and demanding environments. In addition to its focus on safety and reliability, DO-178C also emphasizes the importance of verification and validation. The standard requires developers to verify that the software meets its requirements and to validate that it operates as intended in its target environment. This involves a range of activities, including testing, analysis, and simulation, to ensure that the software behaves as expected and meets its performance and functionality requirements. By verifying and validating the software, developers can ensure that it is free from defects and errors that could impact operational safety and efficiency. DO-178C also facilitates operational excellence by providing a framework for configuration management and change control. The standard requires developers to establish a configuration management system that tracks changes to the software and ensures that all changes are properly documented, reviewed, and approved. This helps to ensure that the software remains stable and predictable, and that changes are made in a controlled and systematic manner. By managing changes effectively, developers can minimize the risk of errors and defects, and ensure that the software continues to meet its safety and performance requirements. The standard also emphasizes the importance of documentation and record-keeping. DO-178C requires developers to maintain detailed records of all aspects of the software development lifecycle, including design and development activities, testing and verification, and configuration management. This documentation provides a valuable resource for maintaining and upgrading the software over time, and helps to ensure that the software can be traced and tracked throughout its life cycle. Furthermore, DO-178C facilitates operational excellence by providing a framework for continuous improvement. The standard encourages developers to establish a culture of continuous improvement, where lessons learned from previous projects are used to refine and improve the development process. This helps to ensure that the development process is continually evaluated and improved, leading to greater efficiency, effectiveness, and quality. Another important aspect of DO-178C is its focus on communication and collaboration. The standard requires developers to establish clear lines of communication and collaboration with stakeholders, including project managers, quality assurance teams, and regulatory authorities. This helps to ensure that all stakeholders are informed and involved throughout the development process, and that the software meets the required safety and performance standards. Finally, DO-178C facilitates operational excellence by providing a framework for certification and compliance. The standard is widely recognized and respected throughout the aerospace industry, and is used as the basis for certification by regulatory authorities such as the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and the European Aviation Safety Agency, EASA. By following the guidelines and requirements of DO-178C, developers can ensure that their software meets the required standards for safety and performance, and can obtain the necessary certifications and approvals to deploy their software in operational environments. In conclusion, adherence to the DO-178C standard is critical to achieving operational excellence in the aerospace industry. By following the guidelines and requirements of the standard, developers can ensure that their software is developed in a controlled and systematic manner, with a focus on safety, reliability, and performance. By emphasizing the importance of a structured lifecycle, safety and reliability, verification and validation, configuration management, documentation, continuous improvement, communication, and certification, DO-178C provides a comprehensive framework for the development of airborne software that meets the highest standards of operational excellence.